In this video, we'll show you how to set up a print bleed. Firstly, create a new artboard in Adobe Illustrator and ensure that the print tab is selected. You will now need to enter the final size of your label in millimeters and configure the print bleed settings. Our standard bleed requirement is 2.5 millimeters around the entire label. This should auto-populate once the first field is completed. You're now ready to click on the Create button. The white area of the new artboard shows the final label size, while the surrounding area shown by the red contour represents a print bleed of 2.5 millimeters. Background elements that extend to the very edge of your final label should now be extended out to the red contour. To do this, use the selection tool to select these elements and drag them beyond the edge of the artboard by 2.5 millimeters. The print bleed is needed to ensure quality. It's used to avoid any unsightly white edges should fluctuations in die cutting occur. Also important to note is that elements such as text are placed at least 2 millimeters away from the edge of the artboard and final label size. Should any fluctuations in die cutting occur, the text will not be cut away from the final label. Should you need to add a print bleed to an existing label design, you can do this via the Document Setup tab within the main navigation menu. The units shown should be set to millimeters, and our 2.5 millimeter print bleed requirement will need to be entered into each of the 4 fields shown. Save the PDF file by selecting Option Save As. As for the format, select Adobe PDF and then click the Save button. It is important that the Use Document Bleed Settings checkbox is selected via the Marks and Bleed tab. The preset values of 2.5 millimeters should be transferred automatically from earlier steps.